Yeah. Today I will take this. It's a privilege for me to present our school activities. ఒక రిపోర్ట్ లాగా రాసాము అన్ని యాక్టివిటీస్ చాలా యాక్టివిటీస్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాం మేము. సో మేము అందరి దృష్టికి తీసుకురావాలనుకున్నాము, పేరెంట్స్కి కానీ గ్రామ పెద్దలకు కానీ అందరికీ. సో ఐ స్టార్ట్ విత్ ద రిపోర్ట్, స్కూల్ రిపోర్ట్. This report highlights the various academic, social, developmental activities conducted in our school during the academic year 2025-26 with the support of NGOs, volunteers and well-wishers. On June 6th, the Badi Bata program was conducted successfully to improve student enrollment and create awareness among parents about the importance of education. On June 12th, school uniforms were distributed to the students with the generous support of Laurus Labs, ensuring equality and motivation among learners. Safe drinking water is also being supplied by Laurus Labs. At this juncture, I would also remind that the toilets constructed by Laurus Labs are being maintained by them regularly. On the same day, the appointment of Vidya volunteers was done with the support of Sai Labs and Unique Biotech, strengthening the academic support system in the school. On July 2nd, our school was selected for the robotics program, providing students with exposure to modern technology and innovative learning methods. On July 6th, Pustakar NGO donated library books and also appointed a teacher, which greatly enriched the school library and enhanced reading habits among students. On July 10th, a breakfast program was started for the students with the support of Laurus Labs, contributing to better health, attendance and concentrations in classrooms. On August 15th, the repair of an old borewell and digging of a new borewell were undertaken with the support of NRIs, Ashwin Kulkarni, Kavita Kulkarni, Kranti Nednur and Raghu Nednur, ensuring access to safe drinking water. On September 12th, an AIDS awareness program was conducted to educate students about health, hygiene and social responsibility. On October 30th, students were encouraged and guided to join Khan Academy, a globally recognized online learning platform to enhance their academic skills through digital education. On November 6th, top performing students were selected and given robotics training. A total of 13 students were chosen based on merit, providing them an opportunity to develop technical and problem-solving skills. On November 15th, the English Language Teachers Association, ELTA, conducted an English Olympiad and Educate Talks which helped the students improve their communication skills and gain confidence in English. On November 20th, robotic classes were formally started in the school. On the same day, the announcement of BC and SC scholarships was made to create awareness among eligible students and ensure they receive financial support for their education. On November 27th, ELTA Mandal level competition were conducted. Many of our students participated enthusiastically and 2 students were selected for the district level competitions, bringing pride to the school. On November 28th, HBL company provided free HPV vaccine for girl students. The company also arranged transportation to Basavatarakam Cancer Hospital, ensuring the safety and well-being of the students. On December 22nd, National Mathematics Day was celebrated in honor of Srinivasa Ramanujan. Various activities were conducted to promote interest and logical thinking among students. On December 31st, Self-Government Day was observed for class 10 students, giving them hands-on experience in leadership, administration and responsibility. ELTA competitions showcasing on January 4th, students participated in the district level ELTA competitions, showcasing their talents and academic skills. On Jan 11th, a picnic and educational tour was organized for students of class 10. The tour was sponsored by Sri Manda Srinivas Reddy Garu, which provided students with joyful learning experiences outside the classroom. On January 23rd, library adoption program by Sci Life Sciences was taken up. Sci Life Sciences has adopted students from classes 6 and 7 for weekly library engagement program. Each volunteer has been paired with 5 students to guide and encourage regular reading, knowledge building and library usage. This initiative is set to continue weekly and aims to strengthen foundational learning habits. National Girl Child Day also was observed. To mark National Girl Child Day, which is observed annually on January 24th, the GCEC club members organized and performed various engaging activities. These included skits, elocution, essay writing, plays, drawing competition, and other creative events. The programs highlighted girls' rights, education, health, empowerment, and the importance of gender equality, inspiring all students. Awareness section on POCSO Act and social media safety were also conducted. The Bharosa team conducted a special meeting for students, and the key topics covered were the POCSO Act, protection of children from sexual offences, dangers of social media platforms, and how misuse can harm children's lives. Example, the cyber risks, inappropriate contents, and privacy issues. The session emphasized safe online practices, recognizing threats and seeking help, making it highly relevant for student safety. National Voters Day on Jan 25th, the school observed National Voters Day. Okay. The theme for 2026, My India, My Vote, Citizen at the Heart of India. Activities on value of voting, electoral rights and responsible citizenship to build awareness among future voters. This is very important as elections are coming around. 26 January, Republic Day is being celebrated now. So this is a report for till today. These activities often play a vital role in the academic, physical and moral development of students. The school extends its heartfelt gratitude to all organizations, donors, volunteers and staff members for their continuous support and cooperation. Thank you.